TWP. Y'all already know what time it is. 6 p.m. Wednesday, 10 a.m. Saturday, 10 a.m. Sunday, aka another day in paradise. Y'all see I'm behind schedule, and I just got in the door, so I ain't even got a chance to take my coat off. So we gonna go ahead and get the show rolling. Because as they say, the show must go on. Hell, you can't make the show right if the show ain't going on. Hell, you can fix the problems later, right? Shout out to that part. Anyways, y'all know to go check out the YouTube studios. Watch these videos that they recommend over here because they keep track of that, and that helps them know to promote you because that's what they're doing these days. They trying to promote you, but if you don't know how to get promoted, they ain't gonna tell you. But hell, if they see you watching the videos, they keep track of that in their analytics. So, shout out to YouTube for being somewhat helpful. You just gotta know how to get it. Shout out to knowing how to get it because y'all already know how we do. Keep it consistent, corner in the building as close as possible. Yep, there I go. I'm at my chat now. Make sure the volume's down. No echoes or none of that. Where's it at? Nope, not that one. I just hit play all.
Exploring the cutting edge, 9 cannabis strains redefining the game in 2025. If you're passionate about cannabis or just curious about the plant's numerous aspects, we've got the perfect place for you. Join our thriving cannabis Discord community where you can discuss everything related to cannabis, from cultivation tips, strain selection and nutrient management to the latest cannabis news and much more. Let's grow together in our knowledge and passion for cannabis. We'll leave the invite link in the description below. See you there. As the dawn of 2025 breaks, the air is thick with anticipation among cannabis enthusiasts and cultivators worldwide. The question on everyone's mind is, what new experiences will this year bring to the vibrant world of cannabis? The answer lies in a select group of groundbreaking strains that are poised to redefine expectations. With an ever-growing understanding of terpene synergies, this year's lineup of cannabis strains is not just an evolution, it's a revolution. Each strain on the list, presented in no particular order, has been carefully selected for its unique characteristics and potential to transform gardens and experiences. From mind-bending potencies to unprecedented flavor profiles, get ready to explore the pinnacle of cannabis innovation in 2025. Galactic Gelato. Embark on a cosmic journey with Galactic Gelato, a celestial blend that marries the creamy, citrus-infused delicacies of its parent strains with subtle hints of lavender. This strain is designed for those who value a balanced high, offering relaxation coupled with a gentle euphoria that makes it perfect for social gatherings or tranquil solo evenings. Its rich terpene profile,
What up, John? Good to
dominated
see
by
you. How you doing?
limonene and linalool, guarantees a flavor experience